Just total devastation, everything gone. A whole block, a few houses saved, but just memories and years and, parents' hard-earned money gone. My neighbor's house survived. People on the corner of them, their whole fence is gone, but their house survived. Fire's a crazy thing. It just jumps and picks and chooses. We're seeing if we can find anything salvageable, before the looters start coming in, even though they're going to have, there's a 6:45 curfew. Oh, I see the World War II bike.
I swear that's my TV.
Oh, that is your TV.
Oh, yeah.
And your Xbox is probably underneath there somewhere. He lost basically all his stuff as well, so the saddest. And just, watching him go through all that is just, it's horrendous. I just don't know what to do, what to tell him, so. This whole neighborhood's a really big community, but now it's just like you don't even know where everyone's at. It's just spread out. Seeing the before and after aerial views is devastating. It's just heart-wrenching. Everybody else around here basically just with no warning left with whatever was on their back, whatever they can just grab and go. It's crazy. It's the weirdest thing it's like we're living in a dream. It's just a horrible nightmare that's come to life.